Welcome to RHCSA Guru. In this lab, we're going to learn how to schedule tasks to run automatically at a specific time or on a recurring basis using the @ and cron commands in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. First, open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. Click the menu icon, go to Terminal, and then click New Terminal. Before we start with crontab, check the current date and time by typing the command date, then press Enter. The crontab command is used to schedule tasks to run at specific times. To edit your crontab file, use crontab. Press I to start editing the crontab file. Now, write the cron job using this format: 5 * echo, hello world, /home /cron_output.txt. Replace the first asterisk with the current minute plus 2 or 3. This will schedule the task to run a few minutes from now. After that, press Escape, type WQ, and press Enter to save and exit. The cron job you added will run at the set minute of every hour, every day, and every month. To save the cron job, press Escape, then type WQ and press Enter. After the scheduled minute has passed, check if the cron job ran successfully. To see all the cron jobs scheduled for your user, use the L option with the crontab command. Now we'll install the @ package. Use the command dnf install @y. Press Enter to install it. Check the status of the ATD service by running the command systemctl status ATD. Press Enter to see if the service is active and running. To start the ATD service, use the command systemctl start ATD. Press Enter to start the service. Now, check the status of the ATD service again using the command systemctl status ATD. The @ command schedules a task to run once at a specific time. To run a task after 2 minutes, use @now plus 2 minutes. After running the @ command, you'll be in the @ prompt. To schedule a task, type the command echo first task /home /@output.txt. To save the task, press Ctrl+D. Wait for 2 minutes. Use the date command to check the time. In the meantime, use the @ command to list all the scheduled tasks. Once the 2 minutes have passed, check the content of the @output.txt file using the cat command cat/home /@output.txt. Press Enter to see if the scheduled task has executed and the output is displayed. Congratulations! You've completed the exercise. Mark the lab as complete.